All right, class. So now we're going to move on and make our first double number line. So for this here, they give us our information here for every 2 pints of water, mix in 8 cups of flour. Okay, so what they want us to do is to draw a double number line diagram. Now, if you would like, you can use the straight line tool and add in a couple of lines like this and go through and label it. But space is a little bit limited here, so I'm going to suggest for most of you the best plan is going to be to go ahead and make your double number line diagram on paper or on a whiteboard. Okay, and then what you're going to do as you draw in your double number line, you're going to go ahead and use the iPad to snap a picture of it. Okay, and when you snap a picture of it, you're then going to upload that picture into ClassKick here. And so the way you're going to do that is you're going to find the little camera symbol here, which says Add Image. You're going to click on that, and I'm going to do that, and I'm going to add in an image of a correct double number line here for you to look at. So this will, of course, be taken down when we get to the lesson. But for now, I'm going to have it so you guys can see what the double number line should look like. All right. And so when you do this, you can see all the prompts you're going to be clicking through, and it's probably going to be too big to begin with. Yeah, it's too big. So what you do is you click inside of it, and then you find these green little balls, and you just pull them in to make it smaller. Okay, and probably if I go up here, this is probably the best place to fit it, and I just get it down to where it's just the right size to fit in, and there we have it. So that works right there. So that's an accurate double number line to describe this situation. I'm hoping everybody can make this on their own before the video becomes available. So once we have the double number line taken care of, you can see all of the criteria is met here. They have the tick marks. They have everything labeled. Okay, so everything is here. And then we can use this to answer the questions below. So they do want you to compare your double number line with your partners. So you guys can look and see, did you guys get the same thing, or is there a difference there? So if there's a difference, you're going to want to talk about your thinking. Okay, share why you did what you did. Okay, it's always good to have reasons to do the things that you do. So if you don't have a good reason for it, maybe it's not a good thing to do. So it's a good life lesson too. So there's that double number line diagram, and so here we have some questions that they want us to answer. So for the first one, how much flour should be used with 10 pints of water? Well, we go up here, let's find pints of water, okay, and let's find 10. There it is, 10 pints of water, 40 cups of flour. So we know that it's going to be 40 cups of flour. All right, for letter B, how much water should be used with 24 cups of flour? So let's find cups of flour and find 24. There it is. You can see it's circled right here. This is from the answer key, of course. And so you can see they already go ahead and show you 24 cups of flour, 6 pints of water is what we're going to need. So there we go. So we can say 6 pints of water. And then question C, how much flour per pint of water does this recipe use? Notice the word per is bold. What does that mean? Well, per pint of water is talking about 1 pint of water. So let's find pints of water and let's look for 1. Uh-oh, there's no 1 there. So we're going to have to figure some things out here. So if this is going to be 1, okay, in between 0 and 2, what's going to go down here? Well, 1 is halfway between 0 and 2, so we can think about what number is halfway between 0 and 8. Okay, or we can also think about this way. We can say that if this is going to be 1, then we want to think, how do we go from 2 down to 1? Well, we cut it in half, right? We divide it by 2. So then we can take 8 and we can divide that by 2. And so let's add in that tick mark there. And so 8 divided by 2 or half of 8, that is going to be 4. Okay, so it has to be 4 cups of flour per pint of water. And this is a good one to make sure you use a complete sentence with. So you need 4 cups of flour per pint of water. Okay, hope this makes sense.